Okay guys, check out this 2026 Ford F-250 Lariat Edition. It's got the Tremor package, the black appearance package, high output diesel motor. Again, high output. It is a rebuilt title, had some front end damage, all been fixed up, ready to go. Spray and bed liner, fifth wheel prep. Only 1198 on the miles, less than 2,000 miles on it. Locking diff with your off-road package, tow package, pro trailer tow package. All your driver assistance. Apple CarPlay. So 360 camera, I know. Should have your bed, your hitch, all your different cameras. So wireless charging. So has all the adaptive cruise. Your automatic windows. B&O sound system. No sunroof on this one. All weather floor mats. Smells brand new in this thing. Does have the rubber floors. Trimmer shocks, slow release tailgate, fifth wheel prep, all your plugs here, spray and bed liner. Super nice truck. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.